Hello, my people. God bless you. Osas Joy. Are you not sleeping, watching me? Good. I don't really do my video because of viewers. So for your opportunity to watch me, thank you. Thank you. I thank everyone that's present here now, right now. You know, thank every one of you that is present here. I can see you. These are my viewers. Thank you, Obano Jojo. God bless you. Thank you. You are not sleeping. Are you not going to work tomorrow? You are not sleeping. Good. I see how 5 you are right now. I've been on a party since I just came back. Freddie Ramiato, 25th years marriage anniversary. That's where I'm just coming from. Okay. Can see more people. We have 5 views. Please invite more people. Invite more people because we have a. Please, echo Shiruwe Koto, a live video. So, no side rabo, the dawn. That's double dawn. I greet you, brother, from Brescia. I see you. You're welcome. Grace, Shemawu, Wifo. Good evening. Thank you very much. Nusa Irabo again. Thank you, Ebuwa, Obie, James Harry. You are welcome. Can see every one of you. So, thank you. You know, I'm a truthful somebody. In a live video, I don't really think about saga or rather to put people down. I don't do that. I don't put people down. Ever since the John Way of Egwai, also called Roland Ekoy, has fucked up. You see, I've never talked about him because man have your well at him. When Okoromi was fucking up, I told the people that Okoromi was a match but by Roland Ekoy. Roland Ekoy, the palace needs sanity. If you go and watch that video, I was not only talking to what's so called the owner of Okoromi, I was talking to Ekoy direct. I said this problem is coming from the palace, but Ekoy, Roland Ekoy, you are the problem of our people. So at the end of it all, we all saw it. Everything, Lydia Bosse Igbinosa, happy birthday. I saw you. Happy birthday. Lydia Bosse Igbinosa, God bless you. I can see you. You are not sleeping. Happy birthday once again. Many more years. God bless you. How is your husband, my brother, your children? God bless every one of you. Happy birthday once again. So, when we were talking about land grabbers in Edo State a few months ago concerning Okoromi, Owokan, I was directly talking to the pastor of John Way, the pastor mother, Roland Ekoy, talking to him. You are the problem. You and Majus Juliet Otabo, God bless you. Good evening, madam. So, you emerge all these people to be collecting land. And you were the one who organized people. You organize people. As the Kasenegwa, that is Ozanokbebo. God bless you. That's my other brother. Asenegwa one. So, you organize people against Obaseki by stopping all this Okagele and all. I told you this. Rolandeko was one organized all. I told them, people were imagining, people were even calling me, what concern you with Omada? I said, we are elderly men. We sit down and see what is happening. The most important about life, my dear Edo people, most especially Tinayeni, God bless you, you are watching me. Mama, I greet you. So one thing about life is that boy, there was a guy who was speaking in one in one platform, because that platform because with social media, they are not my friend. When you are doing anything wrong, just speak it out. When Roland Ekoy fuck up, I never come out and say Jamie, but I know him. He is. I want him right from time. So it's fuck up never mean anything. I know this kind of thing will happen again. I'm not against him. It's not my enemy. But I just want him to change. No, I don't do that. I speak the truth. Because the Bible says, speak the truth and the truth shall set you free. I'll be anywhere. You see what I'm trying to tell you today is that we're all here today. The platform, the Edo People platform, is enough to free Nigeria from this poverty. We should speak and forget all this saga fighting here and there. Let's forget about people problem. Everybody has problem. If somebody going to me now, my problem, you will talk my problem in this platform for 10 years, it will not end. Likewise, you that is watching me. Why should somebody just try to bring one of your problem out, a bit to speak on it? He has nothing to do. Social media. Their viewers are those that I blame. Because we that speak the truth, that foresee tomorrow, people don't listen to us because we don't saga, because we don't fight. But we don't need to fight. Let's speak reality. Nigeria is jaga, nothing is good. Imagine our country today. A cup of beans is 800 naira. Do you know a cup of beans we are talking about? Very short one. Short cup of beans. It's not 800 naira. How can somebody live? But that same Nigeria, people are deviating from one party to that same party that is destroying the country. We are the people that are supposed to speak to the government. Otherwise, we are fighting ourselves, doing saga and doing nonsense, which is not good. I greet everyone that is watching me today. The reason my purpose I'm here today is that Agbona Owe Ematawari Owe Yudao all everything we are saying, you are doing your birthday, the way you dance, the way your children is coming to watch it. That is Facebook and also called YouTube for you. You're dancing alone. When you come out in YouTube, you celebrate your birthday, the highs you used to watch people, the way you embrace people for the likeness, for the joy. Your grandchildren are coming to watch. Yeah, this is my grandmother. When we were celebrating 60 years birthday, 70 years birthday. That's by grace of God, everyone watching me, we're going to celebrate that. You get me? So, anything you are doing in Facebook or YouTube, please maintain yourself. Behave yourself, prepare yourself. Don't just do it because I just want to do it. No. Do it for the sake of future. Because your great-grandchildren are coming to watch it. Now we know. If you are dead, you get me? So, for me, at times I'm tired to come into social media. But it has been part of me. But I have my job doing. That is more important. That is for my own family. To feed my children and my family and my friends to do what I need. So I count this as a second part of my what will I call it? Second part of my job. I might call it my job. So if you don't see me all the time, don't be worried. I'm watching you, see what is happening. If I have my own confidence, I will come out just like now. Say, just come out now. What I'm trying to tell us today is that social media, we all see it, viewers, commenters, is whom I'm going to talk with. Yekweamu wani buni comment. Most of the time when they comment, ye social media presenters. Yekweamu wani bun. Yekweamu wa. No gwen ya gbevi wa gbuwa gbevi wa. When you they comment for better thing, not they comment for evil. Or email at them. Comment for good things. Bros, you are doing well. Don't comment for evil, my people. Because why? The curse will come upon you. There was a boy, they called that boy, I think, what was his name? They call him, please remind me. Choir master. He's late now. May so rest in perfect peace. Choir master. Boy. Maybe I have not seen time to speak about that guy. You know, I'm your man who now the death is just moving around everybody. Everybody. The joy we have today, you that is in diaspora, wherever you are, you could be out of Nigeria, you might be even in South Africa, your life is more safe because Nigeria is a place that nobody knows tomorrow. Am you in Nigeria? So you see today, we just met tomorrow. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if anybody dies, no matter where you might die, the time is the time, except Nigeria. It's only Nigeria when you die, it's not your time. But in this Europe, when you die, don't think about anybody's worrying you, anybody that killed, no, nobody kills somebody. In this Europe, nobody. Again, now, everybody mind their business. Your mama, sister cannot worry you because you know money your mama, brother cannot worry you. It was those days that we have few people in abroad. You see your sister, brother. No, now every houses have 2, 3, 4 persons in diaspora. You get me? So if anybody is worrying you, it will be your mama or your papa. Not to say that your mama brother. No, mama brother has a worry person again. Now a long time has passed. But your mother cannot worry because you are giving her what she needs. Your father cannot worry because everything you need, you also give him. So for that reason, the problem you are facing today depends on you and your living. So Choir Master died. He died. May his soul rest in peace. But if he comes to die because he was talking in social media, God used him because I saw somebody who's so close to him that said that the doctor have told him that 6 months' time he's going to die. But for God so loved him, for the gracefulness of God, he lived more than the 6 months. You get me? He lives more than that 6 months, almost more than a year. Before now, coincidentally, it's not coincident, but it's a God will that what Choir Master speak on that platform is what all the social media presenters have to cue into. Cue into it. He said, what did he say? Always speak the truth will set you free. I might tell that Arameya is not a truthful somebody. It's so painful. Arameya is my person I know. His friends are my friends. Right home. Arameya. He might not know me because I knew him very well. All his friends in that area where he grew up, all are my friends. Arameya. But that boy speak. He said, then he said, Owe mata or mase, aone doma I temata. Araone doma I temata. What I don't need to come and play that guy's video, but for the little thing I listening about him, God just wanted to tell all the video presenters that what people are doing is destroying our state, our community, our people. Because there's no truth in you people. Or when you speak the truth, you die. When you don't speak the truth, you will still die. You get me? Or everybody don't give. If not, like platform in your because why doctor told him he will not spend 6 months, but he spent more than 6 months. But God have to use him to speak the truth to all these video presenters but because of money, you have to tell them, say, Wafiwerie. When the boomer hear messaging, all they used to say is that no, it's not Iwunere. Everybody even touch it. When Monica have to bring DNA, Monica have to bring DNA. Monica Monica kin kawai. Ani akwa ani eni ababia yema. Because like Bonana Monica why they are so useless that you people don't have to talk about them again. Because who again are useless say who are senior because they are not part of this world. You get me? Ain't not damnable. Even if following ya, I won't done the following ya. The time ya way we near oh ma, it's the best. It's the best. You are too good, mama. You are the best. Udavesu. Esu ni kevire ni mama any ya ni doria ivieto and doria monawa any ya. Because why? Una me one way no ma. Just tell he or she when una ma off with here. Instead, they have more viewers and more commenters. How can somebody on earth like you know mock we are pardon I was seeing here with social media see a bolo here or your honeyman gayi. It's just a minor when the Spanish guy. That's minor age or minor sunu. A time we call that boy will know what is happening. You get me? I was see asking you one particular thing. Who they love their social media. Ave when you don't want to follow Monica. Fuen who are ya when you don't want to Monica. Who are ya because this way bird of the same feathers flees together. That's the same character. Him. You people can do worse more than Monica. You get me? I'm telling you. I'm a presenter that I have no pity for truth. Ever tell you what time, Monica? Wow. I'm telling you today. You people, why na sike because we na bi omodam we ni kariave. Omodan Monica wa wa he. Omodan. You get me? What is so difficult? Everybody my year. Free. I have DNA with Spain. If you want to do DNA, to not even take you anything. Place it there for people to see. So people Obi Ohanin wa mujaga yate JJ boy man at here. All right to him because owo biomo I will not boy yason. Now even as a valor la kari he elaborated in a time. You get me? At the end of it, Eruwala maybe can wear over Eruwala with him. You get me? People Ivana Muigia by Eruwala, Ivana Bina by Eruwala, even me no Mudiana. I was very, very annoyed of the disgrace and the insults that I didn't allow with social media. I was surprised. You see, our politicians are bad. Politicians are bad. The politicians we have not seen. Good evening, Destiny Daddy. The politicians we have not seen are worse than the politicians we see today. I mean, we have everywhere now. I local government chairman. How can somebody even a Timothy or Roviera or we do all of Benukere? Then we are total platform you want to settle. What's settle? After just blessing your family, your wife, your child, your daughter, your family, what settle? At Timothy all the anywhere be all the why I cry. What is wrong with you people? What is what? They want one way out there. Who they would wakere, or ye go walk here. Tell us, don't you go walking? If ye don't even do you bring in one in Kuwaki are not you are set to work. You are not beneath people. You are not the real Edo people. You are where you been where ye do Eddie Murphy. All of ye Edumezedo Yaroviera, all of you all of ye all the even near Maria way. For good 2-3 months in social media, and end of it, I will settle. If you do, that is the reason why Nigeria will not be good because people no longer value their family names. They don't no longer value their family names. Egenede, all your money is school. No, they are 10 years bemu. Enini, I will to my amigo yo. And I swear in the television. And I swear the radio. Benny and Hogaway in a biomona. Omona Wakana Mabioy. Now, that is the reason why you see today Nigeria is destroyed. People, 120 Buhari, the children, Buhari children are supposed to tell Buhari where, Baba, you are too old to rule. Come inside. But they don't longer value that name. All they need is money, money, money. Ego. You destroy your father's name because of money. You destroy your own personal name because of your money. You don't care. That's the life we have today. But it's only Africa, Nigeria, most especially. Able to be on, they are not like that. You to value your family name. Dumezedo, Modedo. Then Edimo Fima Tiebo na Benny. Yasegberi ano wune. Orowe. We uwalamweko. Eri walamweko. Then me Edimofi Ogunogwe. Me I tell you, me Edimofi. You cannot dare try that to me. Make no time where Nado settle. Then ma settle. What are we settling? We must settle. They must settle. We are not like YouTube, like Facebook. They clean away. In every year, Facebook will remind you. YouTube will remind you where so time. You know, their personality. So, oh, we had to have my brother. If is no longer do people. Wala we emala ni social media now. One igevena. People should marry people you follow in social media. It's not everybody that you follow. E do muffin ya wa anya. Iye wa no e gboku orimu. Dey no here. Small do you pon for. E yo ye. E ma gbon. Small. Any here there is not normal again. Normal. It's not normal because of who need the viewers. Your way is no longer. Now, let's now come to reality. One nigga comment ye at the Murphy, or Arobi Wala. Begani. Where a pa carry on, a pa you tomorrow where you are the best. Now, every time one hour, one people know the Berobi Wala in every chair. Now, you people that were commenting that the position where where are you? Is a question. You people that were commenting for the Murphy in such a large family. Now, where are you people now? When he now settle where Ruwala is an innocent, then where are you people? Or Talimei no Waina? A good question. Then, Mabega Udawaya when he commenting. Egbugwa Udawa Kere, Egbedawa Yakin, when he commented the Murphy where in no Uma, even to date. Egbedawa Kere. Yeah? Now it's okay. At times you blame your father, you blame your mother, you blame everybody. Oh my God, where Mori beware. Oh, after many Bobiswa was another person and we are doing. Bobiswa where your bisoke. And we are now going, my yaguya, how can the father said that? Your gibio. A baby is okay, Doni. Abe and Nino Talota, not concerning destiny, Bagua, Doka, Eruala. Mona bies and Abio Boa, or Mono or the becking. No. Nobody. Good evening, lovely. Was lovely. Good evening. So, no beg is soccer. No marry the Murphy. Jessica Ogemoi. They do not value the yes, claro. So, no take a soccer. Concerning the destiny, money take money Egbeni our pay because on Monaco Koshe. All Pacata reggae with social media now where the mafia out of it, Obisokoi, our Pacata, and which is true. Then it's when the mafia more is okay, say it's okay, not stop social media, I'll stop it. But because you're there, you tell me no, she's the one telling the Murphy what to say, what to do. So And the Dimorphy Atari of is okay. She is the aging room of Eddie Murphy. Emi ano. Okay. Okay. My dear people, Agbona, I will more Goriowa. And now you talk. I go tell you. Eddie Murphy became a Bonamuboma. Well, I didn't have a destiny anyway than there. Oh, Mama, we're here. Everyone, I go man anyway than there. Destiny calling anyway than there. You are a very useless man. That shows your uselessness, Eddie Murphy. I'm up your way, I know it. For it. I'm a coach where honorable House of Assembly. Anyway, yeah, Eddie Murphy. One way to the eye, me tamuera. Anyway, who are my doria? All this nonsense here with Talon will not. I am where the butter. There's no way you will change you. Because why? Your problem is that when we cook for no dinner, we have 24,000 viewers. Now, when we book, that is just your home. You can destroy people to make your life. But people you are destroying, my brother, they still have life. You get me? They still have life. That's one thing you need to know. Eddie Murphy, if you were here, anywhere, donor, he will not lead you to anywhere. Even when we are YouTube, everyone knows where you are with Bobo. I mean, my YouTube every time. My way, Bobo, we work 24 hours, 10, 12 hours of the day. My way, I say Saturday, my name will not. So, go and work. You will not have stop destroying your fellow people to build your platform. Get me? So if you have women, if you have a run, you only ties that. You know what you get do mezedo or fuck up. Do mezedo you fuck up. Even if you want to know who for your hand, say who can't carry your matter, give Eddie Murphy. Not be that kind gather no one settle. Oh, okay, can we away? If I have Eddie Murphy gather, the Murphy are over where. If I have any deba we again. Then when you are away. When you are there, upon your family, na la bishi ya fefe. Ele mafo, me, Eddie Murphy dami owe. You feel where you are bonane, I will settle. Agmo ye yo. Wawe no gie, wawe a settle ede ya wuwa. Eddie Murphy be very careful. We ya gbe, we settle ede yo. Edagbuwe. Yo itunye. Eddie Murphy, your life is so short. You don't value you don't value your life. But be very careful. We are not going social media to settle or phone. For does not act like that. And where we have nobody will forgive you. Or how we nobody will forgive you. Go and play your record, your past record. Nobody will forgive you. So, a qua war here, then a morphy face you walk here, more face who better away or walk here. Going a large way. You hear away we know your yoni. Ubi, I have few before. So, a look we are yet the Murphy. Don't just think yourself you are a free man. You are not a free man. Because you don't jam so many people. You jam many people that they will never forget what you do there. You get me? Forget your viewers, your useless people when they view you, when they comment for your word. No, many people will not forgive you, Eddie Murphy. No matter whom you be, you don't destroy for that. Don't destroy those people for this social media. Even your own twins brother, your twins brother feel forgive you. 12 and say you fuck your wife, now so you fuck up. If he forgive you, because now be twins. But the rest people, when you don't jam. Destroy their life, destroy their family, destroy their ways of life because of €100, 100,000. They will not forgive you. No, I will partner with you. Me are not the German. All this part. Sit down for your people. The other people they look you different from the way they look there. And the more they tell you. I'm not a right time. I don't voice of one. I don't fear you say because your saga. That 300 and something years. Sagara. You get me? And you can't tell me pay and 1 million. If you forget, I tell you, maybe me defwa. If they toy around, they call it there now. On my day, me, I know me, you not get problem. As I talk and I see, I'm not talking tomorrow. But I need to tell you, I do not fit time away. Even they were going to tell me, I don't believe that one. You get me? Me, I be like a Boston. Me, I go Boston, go me on Ladia. Ladia. But you're right, Ladia, I talk to you. So now, if you don't know some, while the money temata, I mean, money, but why you got on social media? That's just the thing. Because if they don't see people they watch the way they encourage them, they don't stop all this nonsense. Because our people too they encourage bad thing. Nigeria not good. Cup of beans is 700 naira. We don't talk about that. You know if you buy yam, our mama they suffer even if euro dollar high. No problem. If you carry 10,000 enter market, you know if you buy things to cook soup. It's not good. With the people in Europe they happy say euro high. People in America they happy say dollar high. But can the dollar and euro buy something for our people? No. You understand me? So these are as large as Nigeria. As a dope people in platform. We need to talk about talk about the government. People will complain about Obaseki. Obaseki is bad. But today we begin to see things. This one is doing well. Fine. We're happy. But it's not still doing well. Let's talk it. A woman, we are in abroad. Let's forget about those people that speak against your fellow person. Anyone that social media is made. Listen, if we talk about social media, my social media now, it's not only I do people. Everyone run on social media meet up with other things without insulting their fellow people, without bringing their fellow people down. They are growing up. They have trillions of viewers. What is your aim and your purpose? A boy because God asked that boy, choir master, to come and speak the truth to you people that when the Monica should bring DNA out. So Monica should believe on that guy, not you who are big or no. If not, before that, but God told that boy, come and speak this word. That DNA is very important. Settle for what? JB boy, JB no. Now is when area, amame resort. Wala yodo managba nyawe wongi here. But Monica, Monica, sorry, when I like you, but I need to just tell you because why? Where our tamoria will tell you about $10. I'm going to hate your kind of way. Master, you love money more than your family, you love money more than your children, you love money more than any other thing. Even with our social media is just what you need. And then the working, the foolish people on the working, no what any other word the word no ma. Then you may hear walking making follow Monica. You get me? My word cannot follow you. Master, they cannot be your mentor. I mean, when you one you all the way because Omotion will be as a first son. We are now swing J boy the social media. It is time you prove it where this child go on be his era is the real father. But you refuse. So for that reason, a day the matana ayati for water. Even in 20 years time, where we want it, or we raise a matana. You get me? Because Eruwala is a well-known person. Because a boy would like to claim Eruwala as his own father. If by now it's not proof. Because a joking we wani with Yahu Weni. We are a woman responsible. Obiokani would not like to claim that man as a father. We would like to claim Eruwala as a father because I'm a DNA. But a DNA now show away to matter ho. You bomb me away or ma do okay no. This is my father. So that DNA is very important, Monica. To stop all this nonsense, that people are saying about you, about Teruwala in social media. Number one thing to stop all these things is the DNA. If the DNA is proved today, and Teruwala like social media, and Monica like social media, then everybody starts his own normal life. You get me? So without that, without DNA, the matter is not solved. Because this matter have gone so far around the world. Even if when I check my Spanish, I even know who is Monica. And so the machine who is Monica. Do voice, Kenneth Monica. If you see the man name, that's to tell you where even the foreign language they are listening to us and they know what is happening. So Monica should bring DNA. If not, me, anytime it comes out, Monica, I will always resort to you and I always talk to you because every way apart from DNA is zero. And everybody watching you and commenting on your program without DNA, they are bastard, they are useless, they are homeless, they are not Edo people, and they are not Nigerians. You get me? So that is what I have to tell you, Monica. So you know, the Murphy, your problem, the problem Edo people have is Eddie Murphy in social media. And now one chief, I make have any go Eddie Murphy do a meeting. But why listen, if you are chief, now David do we or we him, then well stop Eddie Murphy and go more but a good tenant. He may understand some chiefs, some important people, not calling me a chief. The European Eddie Murphy have do meeting or maybe I matter we people don't know Eddie Murphy is number one person, no this no more dog but of European. You people don't know. Watch Eddie Murphy past videos till today. There is way any chief in a meeting, any agba meeting. What is all this? We should know where we come from and know people that are speaking the truth and people. These are the who am a buwa what are chief now. Sorry to say, what me buwa boto because if I go after you give all the men because on my line you come back and after you give all that. We come back with me a webo. Then we have the Murphy ogba mobo and you know Eddie Murphy oze no webo na oze no you. Aya wa me okay. Ye chebone Rolade ko ya wa me. We ma fi no give palace ake ayo we wa me. To speak the truth. Who if you know ake ya we wa me. Ama mu me ari egwa ni ha. Emu me ari egwa. You did it. Or you are here. So anything we take that one is zero. Because he was in charge to use you to swear that oath. Who swear no swear. And we tell you, to swear oh. Because who if you know the gua. And now you wear very. So but wait here and I do wait here. So wait here about the Murphy. Forget. And I have Baba. I have you forget. You understand me? Everybody know worldwide. You Europe nowhere where are you wavegani even where I am where they go. Ujorene just a magu umahwami who forget everybody all those ones are zero.